Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop the automatic Windows updates in Windows 11 permanently or temporarily. So it is up to you. Which one do you choose? Well, you know that receiving updates is very essential for the computer, specifically for the patches, for quality updates, for the drivers, and many other types of updates that Microsoft is releasing. Now, every time that you are receiving, it means you are hoping to get a better performance compared to the older version of the Windows. Now, the thing is that with Windows 10, we saw that there were many times that most of the updates were causing many issues with the Windows. Alongside that one, at the beginning of the Windows 11, we also saw that Windows 11 is not really performing well on the AMD processor. Microsoft released another patch which worsened the case even more. So this type of updates you can receive one after another. So it's better to learn how to stop the updates in Windows 11. So let's begin the process by the temporary steps. The very first step is right click on the start menu and choose the settings. Or you can simply press Windows I on the keyboard and the settings will open. From there you have to choose Windows Update, and now you can see that for now you can see I have already disabled the updates. If I want to enable the updates again, disable the updates temporarily, just I'm going to click pause for 1 week. Also there are, I don't know, it may be a bug, a patch or whatever, but other computers on the web which I saw, they have this option of extending the time of pausing the Windows updates. You can increase the amount of time up to 1 month, but for now, for whatever reason, I don't know why, but mine is only working for the 7 days. This is the very basic way of how to disable uh, the Windows updates. Still, you will receive the updates. You will receive. There will be in the pending option there. When you are ready to install them, just simply click resume updates, and it's going to install them. Okay. Now there's also another option which is only going to work on laptops. It's not going to work at all on if you are running Windows 11 on your desktop computer. Well, the thing is that if you are running a Wi-Fi connected to a Wi-Fi, then basically if you turn on the metered connection, that time you won't receive any updates from Microsoft. So basically the metered connection is an option in Windows which is letting you not to use a lot of data, specifically if you have turned on hotspot from your mobile. So this is the very simplest way if you are using the metered connection. Now you can also turn it on the Wi-Fi without running the hotspot. Well, these are you won't receive any updates at all unless you turn the option off. So here is how you can enable it. Just click network and internet. After that one, you have to click on the Wi-Fi which you are connected. After that one, once you are there, you will see that now click on the network that's connected, which is this one. And after that one, if we scroll down, you will see the option of metered connection, which I have already turned it on. You can see that it's written the set a data limit to help control data usage on this network. So basically, if you click on it, you will see the amount of the usage that which application has been using over the time with the network that you are connected with. So you can see that it is on the past 3 days 7.33 GB has been used. So you can limit basically the data. But for now, if you turn this thing on, where was that? I'm sorry, I think I lost it. Wi-Fi, the network which I'm connected, and yep, metered connection. So basically when that is turned on, you won't receive any updates at all. One more thing you have to make sure, although it is by default turned on from the settings of the Windows 11, and that is the advanced settings in the hold on please. If you go to the Windows updates, then you will see that there is an advanced option. If you click on it, there is the option of uh, download updates over metered connection. You will see that by default it is off. So make sure that it must be off if you are turning on the metered connection, otherwise it's not going to work at all. So basically this is how we can temporarily disable the Windows updates for a specific amount of time. Now let's go and begin the process of disabling the Windows update permanently. Although I am not recommending it all, you know the reason, because Microsoft is releasing many patches over and over. Then there is the quality updates. Then there are other types of updates that Microsoft is releasing. So it is very essential. So here is how to disable the Windows updates permanently. uh, Open the start menu and search for like edit. Basically it means the registry error. Open it. By default you have to come up to this path. Basically this is the path. I'm also going to put this path in the description. When you are here, just simply copy the path from the description of the video and then paste it here, and then press enter. You will be exactly here. Now right click on it and choose new and choose uh, a new directory, which is basically key. Now name it by the name of the Windows updates. After that one, again inside the same directory, right click on it. Oops, I'm sorry, you should not create it here. Delete. It has to be created here, not there. Yes, now it's fine. Windows updates. Now again right click on it and choose new and choose key. This time name it AU or whatever that you want. For now I'm going to just name it A and U. Now inside this AU directory, if you click on it, there's nothing. Still you can see that I am inside the AU directory. Now right click here and choose new and choose dword 32-bit value. After that one you have to name it no Windows update. Remember, this has to be renamed the no Windows update. And now click on it, change the value from 0 to 1 and then click OK and close. Now this way it is going to permanently block the Windows updates. Well, beside this, there are, suppose you want to control the updates. Well, this way, for the first thing you have to delete it, and there is an option. Basically I have written the article which is available inside this website called wikigain.com. If you open it, hold on please. How to stop updates in Windows 11 temporarily or permanently. You will see that I have already written the article here, and okay, these are the options. Now the very first thing is that if you want to control the updates in Windows 11, you have to create a new value by the name of uh, AU options. Now you can see that I have written the numbers here. Now number 2, if you type number 2 there, remember the value. I'm talking about the value. Let me have show you again permanent, show you so you should not face any problems. You can see that there is 1 up to the 7. You can type any of the number. Now you can see that if you type 2, it will do that notify to download and auto install. Okay. Number 3, if you type auto download and notify to install. Number 4, auto download and schedule install. Then number 5, allow local admin to choose the settings. And finally 7, allow download, notify to install, notify to restart. Everything will be mentioned there. Well, if you want to go back to the normal stuff, just again delete these things. I mean the entry which you just created, delete, and that's all. Okay, this is the method number 1 which you can use to permanently block the Windows updates. Now there's also the method of the services. Well, everything that you are running on the Windows, they are basically running on the services. Based on the services on the background, you cannot see them. So if you want to also block the Windows updates permanently, you have to disable the services. To open it, just simply search for services in the start menu and then open it. So here you have to find the service called Windows Update. I'm going to press W, and now you can see that where is the Windows Update. You have to find it. Here is the Windows Update. Now you can see that right now it is running. Right click on it, choose properties. From there you have to stop it. After that one, you have to change the startup by automatic to disable, and now click apply. Now this is basically disabling the Windows update, and you won't receive any updates. Although you can manually try. uh, it is almost, this theory is almost 50-50. If you click on the Windows update, I mean manually, you may receive the updates. If you do not click, you won't receive anything at all. So if you want to turn it back on, just again click automatic, apply, and now click start, and everything is going back to the normal stuff the way it is. Okay, now there are many times that the updates are already installed on your computer. Suppose, let me, I have to show you that these many updates are installed in the computer. Basically in this PC that you are currently seeing, you can see, click on the update history, you can see that there is the quality update, driver updates, definition updates, and other type of updates that are available here. You can just simply read them, and you can also uninstall those updates if you want. You can see that when you click on it, you can see that these are the updates that are installed inside here. You can just simply keep a track of the updates that are installed. This way you can just simply click on install, and the update is going to uninstall itself. And finally, the very final thing that I want to mention for you is the rollback feature, which is basically specifically for the drivers. Now suppose if your displaced driver is working fine, an update you are receiving from the manufacturer or through the Windows settings, then you are facing some kind of problems, maybe a glitches, maybe the resolution is not very fine, maybe the aspect ratio is not very fine. So basically you are facing some type of problem. Well, this time you have to roll back to the older version of the driver. Well, to access it, how? Just right click on the start menu and choose the device manager. Now from here you can see that these are basically all the devices that are currently installed, all the hardware that are attached to the computer, and the drivers which are installed are also listed, which are not installed are also listed. So here you can see that these drivers are not installed. Basically you can see that there is that icon. And suppose the display driver that I'm talking about, okay, here it is, display driver, Intel HD graphics, that's the graphic card which is built in into my laptop. So if I have to right click on it, click properties. From there, if I have to go to the driver, here you can see that the driver details, driver update, rollback driver. This is what I'm talking. It's also written, if the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. So remember, this is also very important. So this is basically about the Windows update, how to stop them, how to again enable them. Basically these are all the stuff. So if you have sorry, do not forget to subscribe IntoGuide YouTube channel. If you have any question, let me know that is in the description, and I will meet you guys in the next video. So have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.